and welcome to my very first online video. I've had this idea in my head now for about a year, but I've yet to make the idea come to life. I remember trying once, I think at the beginning of last year, and the outcome was a little less than personal. So I trashed the video and obviously trashed the idea until now. My goal is to post a couple of online videos each month with random information, maybe about the studio, about what I do, products that I offer, or they may also serve as a resource for answering any questions that you may have. Basically, the videos will contain random tidbits of information. I figure with the saturation of public blog posts these days, most of you probably get sick of reading. Plus, it's a little easier for me to talk than it is to type. So here we go. In this first episode of Emily's Tidbits, I'm going to talk about mounted prints. What are they and how are they different from regular prints? This is a question that I get asked quite often by new clients. Most everyone is familiar with a basic print, regular 8x10s and 5x7s, which are printed on photographic paper. My prints are developed through a professional lab. This way I can guarantee great quality to each and every one of my clients. However, when I first started receiving the photographs, I didn't like the fact that they were super thin. I think that photographs are supposed to last for years and years, and they're supposed to increase in value over the years. And the only thing that I could see happening to this little print was folding and tearing. So this is why I chose to start mounting my portraits. I mount everything 5x7 and larger. Mounting is not available for wallets, and most 4x6s are used for scrapbooking, in which case the mount would only cause problems. So for gift prints, 5x7s and 8x10s, and also wall portraits, I choose to mount the portraits on 2mm of styrene board. Styrene board is arguably the best mounting surface available. Plus, I think it gives portraits the durability that they deserve. You're not going to fold or tear this portrait. It's pretty much ready to go, and I'm comfortable delivering it to the client and telling them that, hey, this is supposed to last a long time. You will probably notice that because they're mounted, they are much thicker than the average portrait. But I texturize and UV coat my portraits, so it is perfectly okay to place them in a frame and use no glass. Thank you guys. I hope this helped answer some of your questions. Feel free to let me know your thoughts about this episode by commenting below, and hopefully this won't be the last of Emily's Tidbits.